Activate your inner goddess power and strength with this powerful healing message.
Hello, mystical and beautiful souls. I have been really tapped into the goddess energy lately, listening to my intuition, balancing the divine feminine energy, and that is what is needed on the planet at this time. We need to balance the divine feminine with the divine masculine. I'm going to bring forth some codes now, and you can just connect to your heart space. This is to connect to the goddess energy, to open your heart more, to connect to your intuition, and to connect to unconditional love. Iata orianda ayata oaka. Aya oaka kaya kukutorianda ayata otorianda. Iata otorianda ayata oata. Iaka kutorianda ayata otorianda ria kukutorianda ria kakaya 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 kakaya. Feel the golden energy coming down through you, through your crown, through your third eye, resting in your heart space. Eyanda hoanda, eyanda heya, eyanda hoanda, heyata heya, heyata otorianda aya kokoata, eyata otorianda ayata orianda ria kokotorianda, eyata otorianda ayata otorianda. Open your heart space, release the pain. Eyanda hoanda, eyanda heya, eyanda hoanda, eyata heya, eyata otorianda aya kokotorianda. Believe in yourself. Kiata olorianda ria kokotorianda ayata otorianda. Your vulnerability, your sensitivity is your strength. Kiata otorianda aya kokotorianda. Iata otorianda aya kokotorianda. There's nothing you cannot heal with the power of love for self. Kiata otorianda, iata otorianda ayata oaka. Aya oaka kaya kokotorianda aya kokotorianda. Iata otorianda, heyanda heya. Eyanda hoanda, eyareya. Feel at peace, feel calm. Kiata otorianda, feel safe and secure. Iata otorianda, ayata otorianda. Connect to your authentic self. Connect to your heart space. Eata otorianda, ayata otorianda. Believe in who you are. Speak your truth. Form healthy boundaries with others. You are worthy of success. You are worthy of respect and love. Iyata otorianda ayawanda. Ayawanda ria kokotorianda ayakokotorianda. Iyata otorianda iyanda iya. Blessed be.